Hey guys, welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest tech news and leaks. Today we are talking about the rumored Xiaomi Mix Fold 3, which may not be unveiled until the third quarter of 2023 according to the prolific leaker Digital Chat Station. Apparently, Xiaomi will stick to the same release schedule as the Mix Fold 2, which debuted in August 2022, and launch at least 6 other new flagships from its brand in the second half of 2023. We don't know yet what kind of upgrades the Mix Fold 3 will have compared to the Mix Fold 2, but rumors suggest that it may feature an under-display selfie camera for its main OLED display. Additionally, there are rumors circulating that the under-screen camera technology used in the Mix Fold 3 will utilize drive-a-pixel circuit scheme. This means that a pixel circuit is used to drive an OLED pixel unit, ensuring that the pixel density of the camera area is not reduced. Furthermore, the optimization of the camera area, pixel space arrangement, and film layer stacking design has helped to improve the visible light transmission rate and increase the amount of light that enters the under-screen camera. As a result, the photo quality is said to be amazing and the screen will be comparable to that of a true full-screen display. This groundbreaking technology allows users to enjoy an uninterrupted viewing experience with no unsightly notches or camera cutouts that detract from the display's beauty. It is expected that the innovative design of the Mix Fold 3's under-screen camera technology will set a new benchmark for other smartphone manufacturers to follow. We can't wait to see how this technology will evolve and improve in the future. Moving on, there's speculation that the Mix 4, a 2022 premium candy bar Xiaomi smartphone that also came with an under-display camera, may not get a successor, and its specs will be combined with those of the Fold 3 to create a single device in 2023. Furthermore, it is rumored that the Xiaomi Mix Fold 3 will feature a periscope telephoto lens, which is expected to deliver improved image performance compared to its predecessor. Despite this upgrade, the device is said to maintain the previous generation's tiny and light design. However, it's important to note that these are just rumors and nothing has been confirmed by Xiaomi at this time, so as always, take these rumors with a grain of salt and stay tuned for more updates as we learn more. Thank you for watching. Peace out.